You gonna do an intro?
Oh. Hello everybody, it's me, Bowtie Pikachu. Welcome back to another gaming video where we're playing Deep Rock Galactic, and I'm with my best friend, Inferno Chicken.
What's up?
Perfect intro. I didn't fuck it up.
I know. Award. You deserve an Oscar for that performance.
Drop pod is ready. Time to leave.
Sell. I want to save money.
Suit up and let's roll. We are
Slapping titties.
unbreakable.
Yo.
For those about to rock and roll.
Oh, I can't slap the titties. No!
Beautiful dwarf.
I just got titty denied.
I know. Even outbreak. Wow. So I played this game. I think like a break.
I'm too young to die!
This is gonna be a walk in the park.
Get ready to rumble!
Egg collection time, team.
Ooh, egg collections.
The company wants them. Don't ask why. Find them, store them in Molly, and return. Simple.
Okay, I want to go over here then.
Slot the serving of campaign tonight. Oh yeah. I know the way. Molly!
There's like nothing over there. I'm gonna start mining over here.
Alright, move.
Okay.
You're not the driller. I am.
I know, I didn't know there was another way to get in.
There's always a way in.
The flares are recharging.
Shoot it. Shoot its eyes.
Oh shit. Oh, it's a little bastard.
Yeah, there we go. That's it.
I'll never get the smell out of my armor.
Shoot this thing.
It is no good.
Got the horde! That's it. Back's full.
Collect all the goodies from it.
Okay.
There we go.
Alright, Molly. I need to see it for a
pull it
second.
A secondary objective has been achieved. Bonus will be transferred to your accounts on mission
Alright,
completion.
I made a lift so you can use it.
I have a better idea. Just jump across. Wait, got in my way. I got this one.
Okay. I'll go for a different one.
Probable
Watch out
impact
for the
locations
meteors.
are being calculated. Time to put those stumpy legs to use, team.
No. There's one right there.
Nice. Whoa!
Why are you shooting at me? Come and get him with his nothing fun.
Pickaxe it.
Let me go back. Oh, let me go back.
I wonder what's laying these eggs.
Red sugar.
Actually, I probably don't even want to know.
Oh, I'm getting hit by a nasty guy.
Get off me. Molly, you seriously went on the egg, you bitch. You little bitch. Get off me. Fuck off. Get off me. Get a break.
Shit. I got it.
Molly, get off the egg. Wish I had Bosco.
I need healing. I need to find some. I need to find some red shit. Oh, it looks like you already. It looks like you already went into this egg.
I don't know, maybe.
No. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like you're. Yeah, it looks like you already infiltrated this part.
Die.
Already like 10 steps ahead.
Ow.
Oh, I cannot shoot him. He has rocky skin.
Then pickaxe him.
I am almost dead. I need healing. Where's the red eye?
I smell bacon.
Horse is right up there.
I cannot find any red eyes anywhere.
Go
Check, they're
lie
on the map.
down forever.
Yeah.
Oh, of course, it's like in that one little crevice.
I'm already into it. I already got the egg.
Go crush too steep. Zip line ready. Just take your sweet time, old lady.
Olé.
Oh, I got shot off.
You know you have shields, right?
It shot me off the zip line.
I mean, why would you be on the zip line?
So I was trying to get.
Everything's, like,
I was
super
trying to
enclosed.
get the red eye. In red
I mean, red sugar.
Brundle down. Be gone.
Oh, it looks like I have.
Keep it together. Ow. Oh yeah. Pop the
No,
big
you-
one.
You should have just saved your res. Kind of a waste. Alright, alright. Show me the swarm. Where's Molly?
Yeah.
There it is.
Give me some
Molly.
Oh, I don't
Alright,
have
what-
healing.
Where's the other egg? It's
Contact.
near you.
Lock and load.
Whee!
It burns.
Fuck. Get off me. Oh shit, that's it. I'm an idiot. Get off my ass. You're dead. Okay, I'm just retarded. Never mind. Yeah, there it is. Molly!
Time to get busy, miners. Swarm
I have
detected.
an idea.
Explosive.
Wave's almost over. Egg collection completed. Well done. Pull the escape pod in when ready. Drop pods on the way. Hang in there.
Oh my gosh.
Smoke him if you got him.
Yoink!
Loot bug eliminated.
Drop pod has arrived. Retrieving the mule. Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
I got swarmed.
I know you did.
You think this is nap time?
Let's get out of here. How about you shoot? Or place, how do you place a shield?
Wash I need more ammo. Shield.
Oh shit, I'm out of ammo. Yeah, whatever, it's like right here anyway. Just dig.
The mule is secured. Initiating launch sequence.
Can you help me dig?
Deep Rock
Yeah, I'm
Command
picking.
thanks you for your good work. Drop pod will leave with or without you. Hang in there. The wave is almost dealt with. Dispatch whatever's left.
Actually, move. Get back.
Drop pod departing in T
Oh, wait,
minus
never
4 minutes.
Never mind.
Don't die.
Where's it? Right here.
I got no ammo. Careful!
Good work. We're pulling it back
I
in.
gotcha. I gotcha. Hey, you're still. What the fuck? Oh, that's awesome. I mean, you still came along.
I
love this game.
No, I died.
I love this game, bro. That's awesome. Oh, you bought a beer. I'm gonna grab it. Double XP though. Okay, I guess.
Ooh, that's noise. Could you please hurry up?
Drop sequence initiating. Fasten your seatbelts.
Slap them titties.
We're flying the Saturn.
Yeah, technically it's a meteorite or a giant.
Remember, leave no one behind.
Our scanners have picked up a massive deposit of
Ooh, I like this one.
We're sending you in alongside a heavily armed lifter to get as many out as possible. We're picking up extreme biosigns in the area, so keep it snappy.
Destroy these
Get
eggs.
the extractor from the walls.
You are
Search,
going.
remove,
Oh,
and
shit.
right. Get it done, team.
Hi, Jesus. I hate these freaking spitters.
Eh, they're not hard to kill.
Let's show them some pain.
You should get some of this nitrate with me.
Yep, I know. I'm getting it.
What of the pickaxe? Die, please.
I'll kill him, don't worry. Ow! What the fuck?
I'm trying to kill this thing.
No, it's that. Where's the other? Ah, whatever, I'm just gonna grab him.
Secondary
And they're all dead.
completed. Now finish the job. Combat positions. The swarm is here.
Oh no, the fourth one. What else? What shall I do? Kill them all.
Lead
that
down. Try jaw down. It just jammed.
Uh-huh.
I got the try jaw.
Nice.
They're all going for me.
Shoot him.
Bring it, beggars.
I didn't lose any health, actually. That's pretty sick.
I mean, you are the gunner. You shouldn't really die to a couple flying characters. Yeah, I basically collected all of them while you were doing something else. Don't worry, I'll look through the footage to see what you were doing.
Really quick at
I'll
doing
beat your
stuff.
record this time. First another boss.
I'm really quick at doing stuff. I mean, I do have like, what, 200 hours in this game?
Drop pod inbound. Stand clear.
Where is it? There it is. Last one to the drop pod is a rotten glyphid.
Drop pod has landed and is ready for takeoff. Drop pod departing in T-minus 3 minutes.
Put me down.
Oh, I got.
Yay!
I got
I
grabbed.
win.
I got grabbed.
I win.
I got grabbed.
Woo!
I don't know how. Well, let me grab.
There you go.
Oh.
You're ungrabbed. You should be. I don't see the icon. Ow.
Yeah, one of the turrets saved me.
By the fear. you bloody
Can you please stop doing that? It's kind of annoying.
Okay.
It was funny the first time, but the second time it's kind of annoying.
Oh, hey, we got a friend. I'm sorry. It's just when you give me a fucking C4 nuke, I'm gonna use it because there is zero oxygen on this planet. So, stick with Molly.
Let's get the job done and get back in a
Scanners have picked up a glyph dreadnought cocoon cluster, so we're sending you in to take care of it ASAP. Take those big bastards out before they force us to shut down operations in the area. And try to make it back with most of your limbs still
I was
attached.
about to say.
Of
course.
Shoot me! Don't let him flank you, sorry. Your own fault for being full of goodies.
We gotta get some of this nitrate.
Out of my way!
You see that oxygen bar on the right side of your screen?
Taste the Pikachu!
Keep an eye on that.
It says there's low oxygen
Feeding
here.
a bottomless pit.
Yep.
I'm dissolving!
I'll come up there and help you.
I don't need help. Why would I need help?
I should call for
Why would you destroy it?
I thought that's what that was.
I wasn't ready. Whatever.
I didn't know what that was.
I know. You didn't. That's why you barely have experience on this.
Cluster grenade! Hexawings annoy me.
Shoot his ass.
Out of the way! Why am I killing the wildfire? Let's clear them out!
Come on, you're overheated.
What? Throw down a shield and res me.
Here, get into cover.
Down to that.
What's that supposed to hurt?
I suffocated.
It's dead.
It's
I
down!
don't know why there's no oxygen over here.
Thanks for saving me.
Because this entire planet has zero oxygen. Alright, so it's literally right across.
Move your tin ass over here hurriedly.
Nope, that's not happening today.
Monster down.
Huh.
Alright, nope, don't pop it.
I'm out of air. Rock solid.
I need some red candy.
Did you just say bread?
Red candy, I need red candy.
You wanna know how to...
Hey, I'm running out of oxygen. How do I get oxygen? Ah!
I got
Molly, come here.
Can't breathe.
I love how your character said that.
Resupply arrived. Go restock.
Holy snakes.
Grabbing ammo. Billy,
I have-
I'm taking some of the ammo.
Alright, let's do it.
Here. Never felt better. Multi. No more grenades here. Here.
God, you realize he has armor on, right? You can't damage him, right? Yeah, damage his little enemies.
Oh gosh!
Don't want to see the next stage of that ugliness.
Kill the Praetorian. Shoot the Praetorian's frozen.
I am
I'm
overheated.
being... Why am I being...
Explosive.
No, I don't want that. Move. I accidentally hit my wrong button.
Holy shit,
There's a
holy
fat
shit,
whale
holy shit, holy
pipe
shit.
bomb.
Die.
Here we go.
I got the glyph in Praetorian.
Gotcha. skip that phase. Woohoo! Ow.
Easy as fish.
It's the easiest piss.
I don't know half the shit these guys say. Come here, big boy. Where are you? Oh, he's up there. Of course he is.
Ready to blow!
Oh, I almost skipped phase 2. I'm in phase 1. There we go.
You are gone, dude.
Miss.
Shooting his butt, shooting his butt.
Fresh air.
Oh no, Molly.
Miss me, miss me. You gotta kiss me.
Where is the damn tip?
Oh, there.
Stop shooting, you
Molly, you bitch!
leaf lover!
How about you help me shoot these things?
Ready to kill some more crates. That felt better.
Why is he always going up there? John, why are you all the way over there?
No ammo left.
Oh, that was that.
Die.
Got a chance. Cover me.
He's dead. Easy.
It's getting heavy.
Oh, great. Shoot this thing.
Rocket vector here. Die, you double-jointed.
Oh, shit.
I got the branch infector.
We got another one.
Give me fresh air.
Wait, what? Oh, it's just the single one. Oh. What? I thought it was going to be the twins. Usually it always is. Oh, weird. Molly.
The air in this cave is swamp.
Molly. Hi.
Oh, two. Yes.
I mean, you gotta shoot its butt.
I'm out. Why just put up a simple...
Oh, come on. Why did you have to go after me?
Well done, team. Immediate
Easy,
dreadnought
easy.
thread eliminated. Activate the transponder on the mule. We'll send in an extraction pod to pick you up.
Make another posse.
Oh my God, stop moving, Molly.
I didn't move her.
Your ride home is on the way. Drop pod inbound.
Hurry up. Go
The
ahead.
mule has docked.
Hey, we did it.
Sequence.
We fight.
Rockin'. No.
Escape.
Yo.
Get in my guts.
Let's get the job done and get back in a hurry.
Liquid Morkite team. Set up pipelines, fill the on-site refinery, and launch the goods back to orbit.
I think you bumped up the spawn a little bit.
Get to work, Roughnecks.
No, I didn't.
Oh, this is a really aggressive mission
I feel
then.
like I'm getting sick.
No, it's not. Same. It's the same difficulty. Fucking dead.
That's gonna cost you around this far.
Hey.
Oh, I love these
Oh.
missions. This mission's so cool.
Yeah, because we're doing it because you wanted to do it.
I like pipe missions.
Ordering pump jack.
Pump jack requested and is inbound.
Alright, I'm gonna kill this thing.
This is useless.
We need to grab a.
Ah, don't. Oh my god.
Stop the corruptor! The
Hey, you have
Received.
Praetorians behind you.
Cleansing pod incoming.
Yeah, I know. And fucking annoying.
The rock box is
Shoot its
getting
ass.
into my suit.
All you have to do is shoot their butts. Their assholes are the
Cleansing
weak
equipment
points.
is on site. The lithophage corruptor needs your full attention.
You do know if you shoot the enemies that are ice, they do more deal more damage. Alright, grab this green foam pack. Grab it. There we go. Alright, so basically whatever I squirt out, you suck. Pause.
This is a very
Where'd it go?
unhealthy working day.
Where'd it go?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm
Oh,
stuck.
it's press AD. Alright, follow me. Basically, whatever I shoot, you suck, but you have to give me time to actually lather it up. Here it is. It's down here. Alright,
Never felt better.
come to me.
Step one. Cover rock box oil.
Alright, suck it up.
I dropped it. What the fuck?
Grab it. I don't know, on the ground. I see it right there. I'll grab it. Right. I'll do it.
Taking the lithophone, applying the lithophone on the rock box boils. I'm getting infected.
I'm getting
Fight
infected.
the rock box.
No! Get this rock box off me!
Fuck this guy.
Armor layer's gone. The corruptor's vulnerable. Ah, gross! It's spraying blood and pus all over.
This thing fucking hates you. Just shooting your dead corpse. Ah, it's running away, little bitch. Grab the foam sucker, and I'll grab the blue one. That is not where I wanted it. Oh, is it coming back down? Oh, it's coming back down. Good. We don't have to lead him. Alright, I have to go on the opposite end, so we gotta wait for it to go around. Come around it.
I get infected.
We have to grab this.
Bisbal.
Alright. There we go. Alright, now
Out
shoot
your
the core.
guns and blast that thing to kingdom come!
I'm getting infected.
Holy shit, this is a lot.
Got me.
Oh my.
Yep. Aaron, you do realize you have shield, right? Just saying.
Explosions!
Got it. I got it. I yoinked it. I did an alley-oop.
Every larva killed is one less infected Cliffy.
Worm neutralizers! We don't
Grab
have a
one of
meal
these,
with us.
Oh, shit. Get rid of that. Alright, follow me. Hold on.
Kieran's
minute.
balls. This rock pox hurts.
Oh, jet boots! Like Flappy Bird.
This is impossible!
Yeah, whatever, just protect me.
Stand your ground! Give no quarter!
See a lot of enemies on me, bro. In the Praetorian.
Black Flint Cave Brain, I'm on your side! All clear!
Bye-bye. Have fun.
Detonation
God damn, I think
success.
that was excessive. Alright, grab one of the, one of those. How
Freaking.
are you dead?
It blocked. It
Aaron.
pushed me off of the edge.
You have shields.
How was I supposed to put a shield up in time? I get hit by him.
I don't know, get better reaction, I guess?
Thanks.
So many loot bugs everywhere.
Well, yeah, it's a cave. You're gonna find them all over the place.
Lupa, and I'm not so proud about it.
Oh, fuck it.
Is there like another one?
What?
There's like another one that I'm
and
supposed to grab.
away!
What?
What you're holding?
Request accepted. Stand
I already
clear.
grabbed it.
Pump jack inbound.
I'm just really fast at it. At the extraction.
Connect the pipelines to the pump jack.
I'm wondering if fighting bugs and moving dirt is the best way to
Play counts all accounted for. Finish the mission and get back home.
This never gets old. Minecart.
Oh, you have to fix it at a specific point. Oh, fuck you.
How dare you say fuck you? This game's already
I can't even fix anything. It won't let me.
How are you dead? Oh no, you died
I'm leaving on a jet boot. Na na
The
na.
stream of incoming
No,
enemies
no,
has
no.
eradicated, and you're still
No,
alive.
no,
Well
no.
done.
Unfortunately, I need this dwarf to live. Well, to do my work. Not me.
Oh, you're running away, little bitch. All right.
Alright, you should be able to protect yourself. Damn, how many fucking twists and
I
turns
feel
do
like
you
a
need?
plumber.
Good Lord.
I just need a big, bushy mustache.
Alright, where the hell is the other one?
I don't get paid enough for this.
Fly.
Here we go.
I just love building stone. Efficient.
There's also an event that we have to do before we cash in.
On this mission.
Hello.
Yeah,
Why does it
but
feel
I'll-
like
I
I'm
have
hungry?
the,
Successfully connected to
I have the
Jack.
key, so we'll just do it then. Okay. Of course, it's all the way over there. It's in my-
Pump jack's here. Let's get it hooked up to the refinery.
Okay. This one can go right here.
Here.
Let's work harder.
I'm just gonna drill into that hole.
Having driller on this
I
mission is
just
so
love
fucking nice.
manual
Second
labor.
pump jack
Yep, that's
connected
why I
and
play him.
ready to pump.
Well,
You're
it's not the
doing
only
well.
reason why I play him, but he's my favorite character in this game. Oh yeah, I also bought one of those mugs. Shit. I also bought one of those mugs, so it's gonna come like maybe next year, and I'm excited for it, so I can drink beer while I played this game. Drink straight Hennessy from the bottle.
That's pretty funny.
Zip line ready.
How's that funny? It's called a depression. Say it, no balls.
It was something that didn't matter.
Well, apparently it mattered enough for you to not talk about it.
Oh, that did damage.
How about you help
R&D
me
did good with the
connect
pipe
this final
riding.
pipeline? Gets it done faster.
I'm coming.
And segment done.
It's a matter of balance.
God, it's funny. The way I
And
play and the
another
way
one.
you play is so different. Like, I play to just get the objective
If
done.
only
You play
Deep
and you
Rock
don't even know where to
Galactic
go.
could develop a way to automate this process.
Alright, before we... Actually... Yeah, we just get the machine event done.
Like that.
What the hell?
Where are you going? Might as well just... I'm like, you might as well just walk there instead of just using the pipeline.
It's
not-
ready.
I didn't mean to do that.
There we go.
How do I get on?
Alright, follow
All
me.
lights read green. Pipelines and pump jacks are all in place. And the
Aye.
liquid morkite is waiting. Return to the refinery and start
Shit,
up
I gotta go to the
pump
refinery.
sequence.
I'll be right back. Just stay there. Okay, well, I'm not gonna... Never mind.
What?
I told you to stay at the machine event.
Surfing underground!
Flatten this area over.
Supply drop has been ordered and is on the way.
Right, I'm there.
I'm flattening this area so we have an easier time with it.
There's some more credit over here if you want to get a supply drop.
I don't need it.
Oh, you already got one. I'm kind of getting the second objective done.
Come at me with this machine event. Oh, is it? Yeah, this is the easy one. All you gotta do is just grab this charge that it shoots out. Yeah. Watch out, there's just, you only can hit them with your pickaxe.
Stick to your trusted pickaxe
Or my
for this
drills.
I'll take the litho back. Bravo! Think you can kill me? Well, think again.
Die. There it is. Fine.
Go crusher! Rampage! Rampage! Hey, go on! Don't got room for more!
For Carl!
Here, have some extinction!
Whee! Hey, we did it. Oh wait, yeah.
Be gone!
Yay, we did it. Woo!
Take you.
Well done. Core infuser is active.
Alright, what do I get?
I didn't get anything. Oh, in here?
Because you're not a promoted. What did I get? I want sticky fuel game. Stop giving me everything but that.
The liquid morkite is being extracted. Refinery and all pump jacks
We
are
just
working
need
at
more
full
hollow mine.
capacity.
Might as well just wait
Be
for a while to
warned,
wait for that.
the noise will draw in the locals.
It will
stay
draw in
in
the
the
Refuel
locals, do what you
liquid
can to
motor.
protect and maintain
Oh, we're
the
already doing
equipment.
that.
Secondary objective completed. Make it
Oh,
known
never
to
mind,
collect
you
your
already did it.
bonus.
I'm not gonna lie, no offense, but your character, having these hover boots make your character utterly useless, because now we can just get around cross plane without dying. Which, you'd still have your uses, you just shoot bugs.
When I start getting better objects, I'll be
All
good.
systems running at 100.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Pipeline repaired, but other pipelines are still malfunctioning. Keep fighting, team. You're almost through the wave.
Watch, don't waste your ammunition! Catch me if you can!
Oh, I'm an idiot.
All pipelines fixed and
I'm
operational
an idiot, I didn't
again.
have my charge boost.
Oh gosh.
Ah, crap! The heat meter!
Yeah,
We
thank
got
you.
company, and it's a nice one.
Time to do sketchy shit, do-da,
Pump systems
do-da.
at 50%.
I am getting fucked. Dude.
The extraction has stopped. Pipelines need maintaining.
Fix.
Watch your
You're
fire!
doing that one.
You gutless mud
This
miner!
pipeline is fixed.
Piss
We need to clear
off.
all malfunctions in order for the refinery to run.
I need blood sugar.
Use your shield.
Shield placed.
I don't think it heals me though.
I mean, it gives you shield.
Extraction is
I mean, you
back
can
up
just
and
go to
running.
the supply if
So
you
it
need
stays
supplies.
that way.
Yeah, you can just go to the supply drop.
Pump sequence at 75%. Let's
You have like
squeeze
half of
those
your
wells
bullets left. Just go to the
dry.
supply drop where I'm going.
All the noise is pulling in the locals. Take them out before they gnaw up our pipelines.
Watch me fly!
Getting supplies. Let's.
Press it.
Press what? Oh, that. Okay. That was easy.
Well done. Cargo rocket is returning to orbit. We're sending in the drop pod to get you out. Hang tight.
Kind of sucks that there's no animation for this weapon.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 3 minutes.
Catch me if you can!
I think we actually have
Jet
a chance
modules
of
are
making
too
out
hot.
Let's leave this hellhole.
Why is this so fun?
You're not even in the extraction.
That's one for the books. Retrieving
Not gonna lie, I actually tried blowing your ass up since it was taking you too long. Also, you're about to see my new emote that I got.
Is it?
You'll see.
We're awesome!
It matches the character, in my opinion.
More than the drinking one does.
Yeah, I mean, the drinking one basically applies to all of them, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm. Level 8.
Alrighty then.
That goes there. Aerodynamic. I like it. Nope, this one. Let me try this. What would Carl choose?
All right.
I'm gonna look at some guns.